Hey ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. Got a quick little complaint about something. There is a lot of people raving about the Topdon stuff online, and in my opinion, once again, in my opinion, a lot of these people are basically bought off from Topdon. Topdon sends out a lot of equipment to YouTubers, you know, in particular, that review their items and say, oh yeah, they're great. TC005. I hope you can see the screen. I don't know if you could or not. This has been used twice. This thing is absolute garbage. No matter what I do, no matter how many times I reset that, no matter how many times I update firmware or whatnot have you on this unit, it's like 231 degrees Fahrenheit right now, okay, on my hood right here. Seriously, 200 and, let's see, hard to see too, 230, my pup over here, 240 degree, you know, ain't that right, Luna? You a hot puppy, ain't you? So, I mean, garbage. This is not the only piece of Topdon equipment that I got. I'm not going to name the rest of it, and not too impressed with any of it. The scan tool, I worked with it a little bit. Their big dog scan tool, not too impressed with that either. Yeah, I mean, I just wanted to get this out there, you know. This is just, again, that's just my opinion, but, you know, for a unit that has been used twice, these failures should not happen, you know. They want to compare with, and once again, I don't get paid by anybody, I don't care. They want to compare to Snap-on. Well, let me tell you, I have the Snap-on one. Has never laid down on me yet. It has never failed. So just be aware of that when you buy this. You know, the support on it is flaky, in my opinion. You know, you go back back and forth with the support. A lot of them engineers don't even speak English enough to really help you or understand what you're trying to tell them. So we'll leave it at that. A little bit of rant here. Just wanted to share that with you guys, so make you aware that this crap here is not all perfect. Might have some good out there, and maybe I just had bad luck with the stuff that I used. Anything is possible. Anyway, wanted to just throw that out there. We'll see you on the next one.